Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. In this video, I'm going to show you where to locate and how to top off your antifreeze reservoir in your Kia Sportage. This one happens to be a 2018, but if you have one that's around this year, like a 17 or even a 16, this one has the 2.4 in it. It should be around the same location or in the same spot. So with that said, remember, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions about your Kia or your vehicle in general, leave a comment and I'll reply back to you. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. There's a lot of cool stuff coming out. We do all kinds of stuff on this channel. The channel is basically for a homeowner and things that kind of happen in your everyday life. So you don't want to miss anything. Definitely subscribe to it. There's a lot of cool content. So with that said, let's get rolling. See, before you fill it up, what you're going to want to do is get yourself a funnel, because the opening to the reservoir, the radiator fluid reservoir, is a little small. Make sure your funnel has no debris or oil or anything in it. Clean it all out really well. Use a rag or a paper towel. Now that you've located the radiator fluid overflow reservoir, you'll have a couple of lines on it. One says minimum, one says maximum. You don't want the fluid to dip below the minimum recommended level line, as it is here. It's quite a bit below it. There could be a leak somewhere on this vehicle in the radiator hose, so I'm going to keep an eye on it. Look for drips in the driveway. If you notice like the fluid's starting to come out here, it's a brand new car, so it shouldn't be happening. But regardless, I'm going to keep an eye on this one, check it every few days. So all you need to do is take the cap off, and then take your funnel, put that in like that. Man, that's a small opening. So one thing that I've noticed is that the opening inside is really small for this. So I tried to use this funnel, but the end of the funnel is too big. So this is a funnel that's typically used with topping off like the fluid inside of a transmission. So I just cleaned this all up. It's all nice and clean. There's no trainee fluid in it. So right now I'm going to top this off with some brand new antifreeze. You don't ever want to put old stuff in. And you can get a couple different kinds from the auto parts store. This one is a 50-50 blend, meaning it's 50% water and 50% antifreeze. So it's fine. You never add more water to a 50-50 blend. So when you're topping off the radiator fluid, you never want to hold the bottle like this, because the fluid will come out and it'll go all over the place. It'll go back and forth and it won't come out in a steady stream. If you hold the radiator fluid bottle to the side, it'll pour more easily and more steady out of the bottle into the reservoir or the radiator that you're trying to top off. So I'm going to top this off, and I'm going to watch my lines. I'm trying to block the camera. Now we're at the maximum line. That's all you want. You just want to top it off, and you can see where we're at. And it's just right up above there. So just take your funnel out, put your cap back on. So now that you have the radiator fluid back up to level, what you're going to want to do is run the vehicle for a couple days, and especially if the fluid got that low, you're going to want to make sure that there isn't something else going on and that you're losing fluid, or you have like a leaky radiator hose or a clamp that has gone bad on the radiator hose that's causing a hose to leak. There could be 9 million different things that cause that. A head gasket could be anything. But this vehicle's pretty new, so it shouldn't be anything kind of crazy. But regardless, I'm going to keep my eye on it. So if you have any questions, definitely leave a comment. We'll reply back to you. One of our subscribers will comment back, and we have a lot of guys that hang out on the channel, and they like to talk to everybody hanging out. So hey, check it out and subscribe, and don't forget to like the video. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Take it easy.